So we already know that skill. So here's a couple of examples. In 2022, a town's population was 12,500 people. By 2023, it had increased by 6%. So how many people lived in the town in 2023? That should read 2023. Okay? So it was this many. It's increased by this percentage. So obviously the answer is going to be slightly bigger. So what's the sum? What sum would we work out there? What sum would we work out?
6% of 12,500.
6% of 12,500. So let's do that. Let's work out 6% of 12,500. And then what we're going to do with our answer, what have we got? Add it. Are you sure? Why?
Going up.
Because it says increased, yeah. It's because it says increased. Yeah, perfect. So, what was the population in 2023? Have we got an answer yet?
13,250.
13,250. Let's have a look if we're right. Yeah, 13,250. So this bit, 6% of 1250, we know how to do that. 6 divided by 100 times 1250. 1250. Once you've got the answer, just add it to it. Yeah? Everybody okay with that? So let's look at the decrease then. Last year a company made a profit of £20,000. This year profits are down by 14.5%. So how much profit will the company make this year? Okay? How much profit will the company make this year? So again, take the sum out of the question. There are only two numbers in that sum. There's your sum. 14.5 divided by 100 times 20,000. Yeah? What does that work out at? So we all got that as the percentage before we do anything with it. We've got £2,900. So it's a decrease because profits are down. So they were 20,000. They've gone down by that much, so we're going to subtract that from the £20,000, which gives us
17,100.
Let's see if we're correct. I'm sure we are. We are. £17,100, yeah? 17,100. Before we do some in the book, we've got a couple on the screen. Okay, got a couple on the screen. Ready for these? Calculator ones. Susie decides to move from Rochdale to Manchester for her job. She sees in a recent report that the population of Manchester last year was 610,000 people. Due to the increase in the number of apartments being built, the population has risen by 4.5%. So what is the population of Manchester now? Okay, what's the population of Manchester now? It's a lot of words. There's only two numbers, and that's what you need. Yeah? Sure you've all got that first bit? Yeah, good job it's a calculator question, you saying that number. Yeah. Sure you've all got that first bit? Get used to that when you see that percentage. 4.5% means 4.5 divided by 100. That's what it means. Multiply by 610,000 gives you the increase. Have we all got an answer? So, 4.5 divided by 100 times 610,000 is, what's the answer to this part of the sum?
27,450.
So the answer then to the full question is 610,000. Is it plus or minus? Plus, because it's an increase. 27,450, which gives us a grand total of
637,450. Yes.
That's our answer. Let's check if we're correct. 637,450. Yeah. Anybody not get that? Have we got to it? Everybody okay with that? Yeah. Let's carry on with Susie. Susie also reads that as a result of the increase in the population, the price of apartments has dropped. Apartments on average cost £227,000 in 2022. Now, they're 7% cheaper. How much will it cost Susie for the apartment in Manchester now? And again, you've got 4 lines of text, but you've only got 2 relevant numbers, because 2022 is a year. So you've only got 2 relevant numbers. Take the numbers out of there, and let's pop them on there. Put a line there, because that's a different sum. There we go. 7%. What does it mean? It means 7 divided by 100. We're getting this. We're getting this.
How do you work it out without a calculator?
No, I used to calculate.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, right. I see you.
No, I'm not like
writing.
maths.
I just see you writing down and I don't
No.
see it out and I'm like, oh my god, how
No,
does
I
she
used
just
to
do that?
So let's work out how much Susie's apartment's going to cost her. It's going to be less than this number because they're cheaper. They're not a lot cheaper, but they are slightly cheaper, so it can save her a bit of money. So we take the sum out of the question, and that's the sum. 7% of 127,000. 7% means 7 divided by 100 times 127,000. What does that give us? Just that.
8,890.
How many? Sorry?
8,890.
Okay. That's the reduction. So we take the price of the original flat apartments and we minus the 8,890. So on average now a flat in Manchester is going to cost her
118, 11, 0.
118,110. Oh, sure. Well, let's check. 118,110. Yeah, it's 890 cheaper. So that's all it's asking you to do in this particular style of question. Yeah. This bit here we know how to do it. It's what we did originally. It's what we did in the very first part of the session. It's what we did in the very first part of the session. All you've got to do then is either decide, am I going to subtract it or am I going to add it? It's all you've got to decide. And the clue for that is in the question. Yeah? Increase, risen by, cheaper, yeah? Dropped. You've got to look for them words. Yeah? That's all you've got to look for. Brilliant. So, in your workbook, there are 5, I think there are 5, there may be one on the back there. No, there are only 5. There we go, 5 to do. 5 to do.